MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Mark, the smooth technology, I want to learn about this. What is it and what does it do?
Okay, smooth technology is a number of different things. It encompasses a far greater development rather than just a CNC control. It encompasses optimized machine structures, the latest motion control technology and servo packages, an emphasis on the ergonomic layout of the machine, and of course the world's fastest CNC, which incorporates now touchscreen technology similar to what you see on a mobile device or a smartphone or a tablet.
So what about if I was a Mazak user already? Is there a big learning curve? Is there a lot of difference from the original control?
If you're an existing Mazak user, the learning curve is very short, but what you'll be able to do is take advantage of the enhanced features of the control that are now developed with Smooth.
Let's have a look at some of those.
Well, the first feature is the home screen. So we've devised 5 home screens that really typify the daily setup that the operator would go through to run the machine, through from programming, managing the machining cycle, tool data, setup and maintenance. And they provide a snapshot of information right at your fingertips. So as we can see here, it's relaying information about the turning spindle on head 1 and head 2, the milling spindle, and we can see the axis position, also the rapid override and the feed rate override.
So if the machine was a different configuration, that screen would look different?
Yeah, that screen adapts to whether it's a multitasking machine with turning or it's just a 5-axis milling machine.
Okay, and you say it's touch screen, and talk me through some of the other features.
Okay, well, let's look at Mazak programming. So if I select program, and let's go into the program menu and then into edit, you can see immediately as you write your Mazak program, it brings up a model, and that model has got associative features with the program. So each time you enter in program dimensions, the model progressively appears and the dimensions appears. Let's say for example here, we want to zoom into a particular feature. I want to look at the turning element. I can choose that turning element here. Let's say for example this here, and then immediately it jumps to the point in the program where I can see that point there. So it's very clever in the way in which you can use it to manipulate programs, navigate and edit because of the associative features.
So from a conversational element, it guides you as a machinist. Everything is there, it can guide you through the programming process.
Yes, Mazak traditionally uses a question and answer dialogue, and that's retained, but what we've added is some enhanced features. One of the new advanced features is the ability to enter in 3D models and digitize directly the features of the model into Mazak units. Let me give you an example here. So for example, on the particular turning feature here, on the shape of that, I can then select the 3D assist function, and then we have a model. We can view the particular model here. We can pan the model, and then we can choose features. Let's for example say I want to do the turning profile. I can select turning shape and select whether I want to do a continuous profile or a manual profile. Let's do a manual profile, and then find the relevant points by touching them. You can click the relevant surfaces, and then when you press input, those lines are automatically inputted into the Mazak program. So what this means is the time between design through to manufacture is much reduced, and also complex profiles can be handled without the need for lots of dimensions on drawings, and it removes the element where we mistype dimensions.
So from design to manufacture, that time has reduced.
Yes.
What about the actual manufacturing time because of this control?
Yeah.
Has that reduced as well?
Yes, it has. We have several advanced functions, and for example, if you're machining freeform surfaces where they're fine segment programs, or you're doing 5-axis programming, we have a range of features that will reduce programming time. Together with smooth technology, so the advanced motion control technology, the latest servo motor package, a super high speed mode, and a series of functions will enable a 30% reduction in cycle time.
So to summarise then, Mark, how good is smooth technology?
Smooth technology is a step change. It really is. It is that dramatic. It's going to revolutionise the face of CNC machine tools and their application.
Brilliant. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.